Good morning, children. Now again we are back with our conversion based on length. So this is the seventh question. Six you have already done. Today we will understand the conversion. Convert 24 centimeter into decameter. First of all, we will compare between centimeter and decameter. Which unit is big and which is small? See again, Khansama has deserted me during cold month. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meters, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. This is centimeter. This you have to convert into decameter. See, it is written here. This is upper side and this is the lower side. So lower side centimeter and this is upper side decameter. This is a big unit and this is a small unit. So when we convert a small unit into big unit, we always do divide. Convert a small unit into big unit, divide. So how we will divide? We will hide this. We are moving one step, 10, 2 step, 20, 3 step, 30. We have to divide it by 1000. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 1000 decameter. So here we will write 24 centimeter is equal to 24 multiplied by 1 upon 1000. 24 upon 1000. So here 3 zeros are there. We have to put the decimal after 3 digits, but here only 2 digits are there. So we have to increase 1 0. 1, 2, 3 and decimal. And don't forget to write decameter, which is unit. Always keep remember, children, unit you have to write. Okay? So this is all conversion based on length. Now we will start conversion based on mass. Okay, children? Yes, children. Now this is conversion based on mass. So mass, in this the same thing will be there. Metric table you have already done in your copies. So again, Khansama has deserted me during cold months. One thing I would like to tell you. See, this is kilogram. Now G will be here. Hectogram, decagram, and here at the place of M we will write only this gram. Decigram, centigram and milligram. So here kilogram into gram. Convert. Kilogram is a big unit and gram is a small unit. So when we come down, when we change big unit into small unit, we always multiply. And every time when you will do the conversion, so what will happen? When we will always, what we will do? Always we will write convert big unit into small unit. Okay? So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So 1000, we have to hide this. 1, 2, 3. 3 place we are coming down. 1, 2, 3 steps. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. 1 0, 2 0 and 3 0. Multiplied by 1000. So at the place of 1 we will write 5 kilogram. 5 kilogram is equal to 5 multiplied by 1000. 5 ones are 5. 5000 gram. Gram is the unit. Understood, children? So always keep remember to write unit. Yes, children, the next is conversion based on mass. In this continuation, we will start convert 925 hectogram into decagram. Just see the position of hectogram and decagram. Hectogram is written here and decagram is written here. Upper side hectogram, lower side decagram. We have to convert hectogram into decagram. So this is big unit and this is small. In the comparison of these two units, it is written upper side, that is why it is big. It is written lower side, that is why it is small unit. So convert big unit into small unit, multiply. So just see the step. If we will hide this hectogram, only one step we have to move. One step means 10, 10, okay? 1 hectogram is equal to 10 decagram. At the place of 1, we will write 925 hectogram is equal to 925 multiplied by 10. 9251 0 will come over here. Decagram. And always keep remember to write the unit. Okay children? So this is done. You will write in your copy. So one more conversion I would like to teach you next. Yes children, the next is again convert 12 quintal into kg. You must remember children, when you were writing the notes, in those notes I had given you about the quintal and ton also I had introduced. So this quintal and ton, the quintal is in your course. I will tell you few conversion based on quintal. Convert big unit, this is the big unit, into small unit. 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg. Always keep remember this thing. This is very, very important. 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg. This is important as well as very easy to understand. So at the place of 1 quintal, we will write 12 quintal. 12 quintal multiplied by 100. 12 ones are 12. 1200 kg. This is very simple. So kg is a unit. Always keep remember 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg. 12 quintal is equal to 12 into 100, that is 1200 kg. Understood children? So move towards the next question. Yes, again we will see convert 46 quintal into kg. The same manner, 46 quintal into kg. Again convert big unit into small unit, multiply. 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg. As I told you in the earlier sum also, earlier conversion also, 1 quintal is equal to 46 into 100. Multiply. 46 ones are 46. 20, 4600. 4600 kg. Understood? 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg. Then how many quintal we have to convert? We have to convert again this 46 multiplied by 100. 46 quintal is equal to 46 into 100, 4600 kg. 4600 kg. Understood? So move towards the next sum.